things to you on it. And then we will go to the next topics. This software is Dynamic Trader. First of all, I will give you a general explanation about this software. Dynamic Trader software has a toolbox on this side and has another one on the left side, and we also have Fibonacci on the upper side of the screen, and you can also enter anything you want on the chart from here. I talked about time frames for you before. I also explained to you how to enter time frames on the chart and create a workplace. Well, if I have to open a workspace, I have to click on workspace from here, and for example, I choose EURUSD and open workspace, and from here I analyze my analysis. And if we want to delete the analysis that we did on the screen, first we right-click and then we click Erase All. In this section, the trend line, channel, and Andrew's pitchfork are located. With this part, we can mark our swing, but I don't use these stuff at all. Here are some other very simple tools that we can use. To write, you can write the text you want here. You can type a text and then press continue, and the text will be on the chart. And here we have an option that you can use for candles. O means open candle, H means candle high, L means candle low, C means candle close, and P means that you can specify a point on the candle as you like. What does it mean? Now I want to determine the high of this candle. I right click here and press high, and then we can see this candle's high. This is our candle's high. Since the lines are thin and may not be clear, I can right click on press thick to make the lines thicker, and we can now see the lines properly. Right click on the low, now we can see this candle's low. It can be any candle that you like, there's no difference. For example, I want the low for this candle, and by clicking on low, I want to specify here. So this was our low. Okay, but candle close, for example, we want to know where this candle is closed. As you can see, the open of our candle was from here, and the close is here. It shows the exact place of the closing of your candle. And about P, open of the candle can be shown with this O here, and P will give you your desired point on the candle. For example, I say, give me the desired point on this candle. Well, these are the things that I explained so that you can learn, and when you see that I'm using it, you will not be confused and tell me where it came from. Here we have a rectangle that I use for levels. I'm explaining the important things to you. We use here for wave count. These are arrows and question marks and writing sell and buy, which are not very important. Here in this upper part is Fibonacci. We have Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, and Fibonacci projection. I will explain them one by one. These are time Fibonacci. From this part, you can move the chart up and down and left click like the MetaTrader software for right and left side of the chart, and you can make your chart bigger and smaller like this. You can also zoom in with this option, and with this one you can zoom out. And in this section above, we have a series of swing options that when you click on them, the software will find the price increase and decrease, high and low, on the chart, and it will show it to you. We don't use these much. I turn this off. Okay, let me explain some other options to you. If you press on the key G from your keyboard, chart G goes on the candlestick mode. If you press C, the chart will be shown as line graph, and if you press N, the chart will be shown as bar chart. We have nothing to do with the indicator at the bottom yet. If you press Ctrl plus T, the indicator will be shown, and if you repress those keys, it will be hidden. I will remove this indicator for now because I have not explained its settings to you yet. Okay, now Mr. Miner says that you must have a pattern in this market. For example, we had a crash or fall pattern in